Soil pollution. Soil pollution is the presence of harmful contaminants in the soil. Contaminants can occur naturally over time in the soil or man-made. There are many health risks because of soil pollution. The contaminants in the soil can enter the groundwater and plants and enter into the food that humans/animals consume. Man-made release of contaminants in the soil is the highest than the natural process. Man-made soil pollution is caused by waste disposal from industrial, heavy use of pesticides and radioactive emissions. Apart from pesticides, the release of polyaromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, into the soil and release of harmful chemicals like copper, zinc and nickel can also lead to soil pollution. Children are majorly affected by soil pollution than adults, as they tend to play a lot in the ground. The best way to avoid this is to have the residential home away from the industrial area. Deforestation and acid rain is also a cause of soil pollution. As more trees are cut down, soil is eroded, taken away, due to heavy rains. Soil is also destroyed when the pollutants in the air mix with the rain. Ways to reduce soil pollution: 1. Avoid using non-recyclable products. 2. Reuse containers as often possible. 3. Use of environment-friendly products and less use of pesticides. 4. Plant more trees. 5. Bioremediation. This is a technique of adding microorganisms in the soil to break down the contaminants. 6. Soil contaminated with heavy metals can be separated by a process called soil washing.